sucks. Okay, so what forces do you have up at the top? Yep. F31, and down at the bottom? Yep. And this is the case that you get anytime you're dealing with a member that's not the lowest numbered at either end, right? All it touches is the pin. By the way, if you're looking for ways to simplify problems, like you're going to have a really big number of equations, here's one you can simplify. It's a two-force member. There's no weight or anything. So you know that this force is going to act along the length. And instead of treating this as two vectors, you could treat this as just known direction forces, say putting this in tension coming out. But really, I don't think that's saving a couple minutes isn't really a big deal. Getting it right is a big deal, you know what I mean? So Newton's second law says F31x, F31y plus F32x, F32y is equal to zeros. And the rotational equation, I'll do that about B. So we just have negative 0.866 F31x plus, minus 0.5 F31y is equal to 0. And equations, do any of these variables reduce? All of them, right? So this, on this step, we get 3 free equations, no more variables. Almost catch up. We can almost solve at this point, but we end up with 10 variables and 9 equations. So equation, what do we have? 7 says negative F13x minus F13, no, yeah, 23x is equal to 0. Minus F13y minus F23y is equal to 0. And then 0.866 F13x plus 0.5 F13y is equal to 0. And we still, for variables, just have F12, 13, 14, 23, and 25. So 10 variables, 9 equations. So we're going to need to do one more member. So let's do 4. I mean, besides just being the next number, counting up, it's horizontal, and horizontal and vertical members are always a little easier to deal with mathematically.